Hi, this is Slingshot 4 and I want to show you the project creation tools. Up here in the Slingshot menu we can come over to Slingshot preferences and we can change the default folders that are going to get created every single time we create a project. So by default you're going to find an alembic path, cache path, hit path, pick and texture folders, but you can obviously go ahead and modify this to be whatever you want. Just comma separate the values you want your folders to be, and yeah, you should be good from there. We'll hit save here and go Slingshot, project, new project. Okay, so I'll go select directory, and in fact this is exactly what I want to use. So we've got our directory set. I'm going to create some shots. I'll go 10, 20, 20, 30, like that. I'm not going to add any additional subdirectories for now, but if you wanted to, you could say add an Unreal Engine folder, you could add a folder for HDRIs, really just whatever you want, just comma separate it. The properties down here are going to define the shot properties. These can be amended manually later, but they're just a sort of easy way to get some shot properties in. I'm going to use 1001 to 1120 at 24 FPS for all of them. So I'll just hit create directories, and you can see it says created successfully here. And if we come over to this directory now, we can see we've got shot 10, 20 and 30 as we specified. If we dive into any one of them, we have a Houdini directory that contains all of our default folders, and it would contain any additional ones that we'd specified. We can also have a look at our shot properties here, which contains the shot number, the frame start and end, and the FPS. This is quite useful because if I want to go in and go Slingshot, project, set shot, and we'll just make sure we've got one set. I'll select shot 10. So there we go. I can now go set globals, and it's looked at that shot properties JSON, and it's set my shot range here, and you can see the FPS as well. If I want to modify that, I can go to shot properties, and let's change this to be 1300, for example. We'll save this. And now if I set the globals, you can see it set it to 1300. So you can really go ahead and set those to whatever you like.